Hey, I'm C.H. Miller Speaks, and I just spent the last 3 days in an amazing humor boot camp in Las Vegas with none other than world champion Darren LaCroix and Las Vegas headliner Kevin Burke. You guys, it was amazing. If you want to learn how to put some funny into your speaking, into your presentation, you got to check out the humor boot camp. It was phenomenal.
One thing I absolutely loved about this boot camp is every single person got a chance to interact, get feedback, and that just doesn't happen at some of the other conferences I go to. So Humor Boot Camp was fantastic.
Room full of people helping you write your own humor jokes.
Creating my own jokes, and I'm learning the techniques from the incredible Kevin Burke and Darren LaCroix.
Because they are great, they will help you to insert and uncover humor into your presentations.
You gotta have serious high-end coaching. Working with Darren, working with Kevin, you are working with some of the masters, I gotta tell you. I've worked with a lot of coaches. Kevin is one of the best I have ever seen. His ability to pinpoint that little thing that takes you over the top is extraordinary. Darren's ability to help you tweak that word, exceptional.
I was working specifically on humor for an opening of a speech that I have coming up, and the Humor Boot Camp gave us a chance to focus specifically on that.
I talk about earthquakes, not a topic with a lot of humor in it, but I've been able to add humor to the presentation, which is going to make it a much more memorable presentation.
I came here because I need more humor in my speeches and presentations. And so I'm leaving with some real jokes that I'm going to be able to insert and some humor that I can insert in some keynotes that are coming up in the coming months. Fantastic experience.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Lear, and I own the Speakers Bureau National Keynote Speakers. Now, what I want to tell you is that humor is so important for me to be able to sell a speaker into an opportunity because of the fact that it's fun, engaging, the client knows that their people are going to have a great time, they're going to learn a lot, and they're going to be entertained. So if you're not funny, or if you want to learn how to be funny, the Humor Boot Camp is exactly where you need to be.
So whether you're a beginner or you've been doing it for a long time, come to the Humor Boot Camp. It's because it'll make you better.
Make yourself funnier. And put lots of humor in my speeches.
We were able to get up on stage and actually test some of the material, and how nice to get a laugh.
Attend, I highly recommend it.
I encourage you to come.
So hey, y'all, make sure you check out Stage Time University Humor Boot Camp.